Here's a certified 2016 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, IntelliLink voice activation, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.